Today's job, which is done, is a bug fix. So yesterday I started building a phylogeny of Platodia, the roaches and termites, and I did the initial integration with the core1 barcode data, all insect core1s, and I got something very strange output from this. So this is a huge comb. This is supposed to be a constraint tree integrating the omics backbone for Platodia with the core1s, and you can just see here the name Prolifica and a huge amount of core1 data attached to that single node. Now immediately I saw this, I suspected a problem. Now because Prolifica is the name of a beetle suborder and one of the really mega diverse lineages of insects, huge amount of data, which alone could explain what all these are. And I found there's a terminal in the backbone of Platodia called Prolifica, so essentially there's been a duplication of the name Prolifica. So here's the original log for the relational constraints, which integrates the backbone with the core1 barcodes, goes through each terminal of the backbone, assigns a higher taxon to it, and then shoves in any core1 which is matching that taxon name. And we can look, there is a cockroach genus called Prolifica, and the script has assigned a taxon name because there'll be no other representatives of that genus in the roach backbone tree, so it's attached the name genus Prolifica, and just for that name it's found a huge amount of data, and these are all probably the Coleoptera suborder, not the roaches. So this is a bug. Now I haven't actually come across this bug before, so this is only under exceptional circumstances, but that has happened here. It's happened that there's been a name match, Coleoptera suborder to roach genus, both called Prolifica. So I've now fixed this. Now to fix this, I'll find the location, I'll put the data in. So here's the location in the script where it goes through each terminal of the backbone and assigns higher taxonomic names according to the taxonomic structure in the backbone. So instead of using just the name itself, I've also just attached the rank. So instead of Prolifica, this will be genus Prolifica assigned to the backbone terminal. Let's try and find it here on an updated log. So you can now see backbone terminal Prolifica, a Gyptica taxon assigned genus Prolifica, not just the name Prolifica. And in this case there's no core1 data, so that's just removed. So it's assigning rank and name to the backbone terminals and then searching for rank and name in the core1s. So we can find that, which is here. Faster IDs for each taxon. So instead of just tax, I put rank tax and then the ID of that. So that's assigned to those two objects. And here is where they are attempted to match here. So going through the backbone terminals, getting the name assigned for each terminal, and then looking for into that object. So here it's looking at the rank and name, not just the name. So here, and this has been fixed. You can see in this log file here. And so that bug was fixed. All I need to do then is just check there's no other problem that's caused, and I can't see any. So looking through the log, the rest of it looks like the same. So previously, backbone terminal hit this, was assigned the name, the genus name, and there's been one call one found for that, which happens to the same name, and you have the same output. So the rest of these should be. So this is a very rare bug. So actually, the rest of this would not be expected to make any difference to the rest of this. Backbone terminal 2, amide terms, species, set assign a high taxon amide terms, and then the core one is found 4 of this belong to this. Checking the updated amide terms, assign a high taxon genus amide terms, and again found 4 in the core 1 data. So this looks to be fine. So this seems to be bug fixed, and all that remains is to write this into the update into the changelog. Okay, a detailed explanation of the bug fix in the log, and job done. Until next time.